Hi, this is Kang, your e-commerce coach, and I'm going to share with you useful guides on how to package your items during to ship out for your delivery. Okay, so in this video, I would like to share with you some of my personal tips, okay, for y'all on how to pack your things for your Lazada orders or even your Shopee orders before you want to ship it out. So before I proceed, so let me introduce myself. I'm Kong, your e-commerce coach and Lazada certified trainer, and I have helped thousands of my students. Okay, some of them are totally new, okay, and some of them are already in business but they don't know how to do online, okay, to grow their business online and become real online entrepreneurs and to really grow their sales. So if you need any e-commerce coaching or e-commerce training, okay, I have a website, okay, called www.compreneur.com. You can click the link below where you can get all this info. So let's proceed to this training. Okay, so the first thing you need to know that you need to treat every single order as though you're giving a present to your customer. So give the best to your customer. Okay, so you don't save on those packaging. Okay, so because you really need to protect your item, so to prevent any damage during the entire transit process from your shop to your customers. And please request from the delivery partner to be careful. If possible, you can talk to them, okay, ask them, tell them there's actually fragile items inside, okay, your package. Okay, if you're worried, okay, just talk to them nicely, ask them, don't be rough, because inside your items may be fragile items. Okay, just tell them upfront. Okay, if in the event, okay, that you are worried, okay, you just buy a fragile sticker from Lazada or Shopee, okay, and then you just stick on your box or your parcel the fragile. Okay, so this is one of the ways that you actually can prevent damage to your parcel. Okay, for those people who are wrapping, sending up fabric, some cord, some cables, and similar items, right? You can wrap them nicely, okay, in either like a plastic thing or a bubble wrap, and then you place it inside just a pouch, okay, just the flyers, okay, or a plastic cover bag. Okay, those that don't really need the it won't break lah. Okay, so you always use the right size of the pouch or the plastic flyers, we call it, for this item. So that is like A4 or A2, which is the popular size. Okay, and then for high value items, right, more expensive items like phones and all those, always these items should be put in a box, okay, to prevent damage to this high value item. Okay, so don't save on this box. Okay, and then okay, another tip for you will be that all fragile items should be put in a carton box and not in a pouch or plastic bag, because during handling they may pile up all your packages in one big sack, and then it may damage your item in transit. Okay, so for if you are selling very heavy items, right, or more than 20 kg, okay, for those who are selling more heavy items, yeah, for example, like mattresses, okay, tires, furnitures, right, it should be in a crate. Okay, those big crates, okay, that during transport that it won't really affect or damage your item. Okay, so all this you need to know. Okay, and also, okay, if you are selling liquid items, okay, liquid items, okay, make sure the cap is taped, okay, so that it won't leak out, and you can actually wrap with double layer of bubble wrap. Okay, so and also then you put it inside a box, okay, or shrink wrap it to prevent any damage or spillage when anything leaking out. Okay, so that all this also is important for you to know. Okay, and liquid items also should be put in the box. Okay, don't just wrap it up with string wrap and expect the delivery man to don't damage your item. Okay, and if, okay, just in case that it shows any signs of leak, okay, leaking, your courier will not deliver the items and will cancel delivery and have to send the item back to you. So please wrap it properly so that your item really gets safely into your customer's hands. So I think that's it for me. I hope that you have learned a lot about wrapping items for delivery. So if you have liked this video, help me like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I share a lot of tips on making money on e-commerce. So that's it for me. Thank you and bye-bye.